Every single time our strategy team meets, we're talking about advanced technology and planning on it. Dan Keene, our owner, he is always looking at advanced technology. 1 year out, he knows what we're bringing in, we know what we're bringing in. 3 years out, we're budgeting for certain machines and things that we know that can help us and that we need. Even 5 years out, he's looking at technology that's maybe not available yet, but it's in development that could help us down the road a little bit. With the type of advanced manufacturing that we do here, honestly, you need the latest advanced technology. Our printing press, for example, actually looks at the color as the sheets are traveling through the press, and we'll adjust it to make sure it hits standard and it's perfect. So our entire production process is more reliable with this technology. It doesn't break down like the old technology did, and we know our customers, they want to hear when their products do that it's shipping today. They don't want to hear a story about how our printing press broke down and we got to wait for the part, maybe it'll ship next week. We don't want to tell them that story. We want to tell them that their product is shipping. This is a folder gluer, and this is the most advanced folder gluer that money can buy. What it does, it takes a flat carton, folds it, adds the glue, and on the back end, it packs it into a corrugated case. What this machine does is it also has an inspection system. So just like you heard right there, anything that it sees out of tolerance is going to kick out automatically so the customer doesn't get defective product. This piece of equipment is advanced technology because it has a lot of operator assist. So what it can do is you can put in the measurements of the carton, and it actually moves the different parts of the machine to set it up from one style to another depending on what measurements you put in there. Also has a very advanced inspection system. So the glue system is shooting glue incredibly fast, and the machine itself is running incredibly fast, up to 175,000 cartons per hour, sometimes even faster. So as it's processing these cartons, it's also inspecting them to make sure it's great quality. This is the carton pack on the back end of the folder gluer. What it's doing is it's automatically packing the cartons into the corrugated boxes for you. As you can see here, it's coming up and into the corrugated box. I could watch this thing all day. This is the sheeter. Not everyone has a sheeter. What this does is it takes the rolls of paperboard, like you see right here, converts those rolls into sheets. All of our printing presses and die cutters are sheet fed. So what this does is it gives us the opportunity, we don't have to wait for someone else to sheet our paper for us. Also, this machine has a ton of bells and whistles that help us down the line a little bit. So now we're in the cutting section of the machine. This is just after it's cut. So the first section is the slitting section where it's either slitting off, trimming off any extra on the ends, or center slitting. Then it goes to the bed knife here, and there's actually dual rotary fly knives in here that are cutting the sheet to length. So as the web passes through, it's cutting it to the length that you need. This is a printing press and an incredible piece of machinery, extremely advanced. What it did is from the old technology to the new, it took a changeover process that used to take 2 hours, 3 hours, brought it all the way down to 15 minutes.